Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to make potato soup for smooth and brighter skin. So the first ingredient needed for the production of this soup is potatoes. So we start by peeling our potatoes. There are several nutrients and compounds found in potato, so it has several health benefits to the skin. Potato soup helps reduce the puffiness and dark circle, particularly under the eyes because of its cooling effect. Potato soap can be used for skin brightening. It helps brighten dark spots, reduce pigmentation, and brighten the skin. So after peeling our potatoes, we cut them into blendable size. Potato soap can also help as an effective exfoliant. It helps to remove dead skin cells and promote a more even and smoother complexion. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin. It reduces redness and calm acne or other skin irritation. Potato soap can also help moisturize the skin because it contains natural starch that help keep the skin hydrated and soft. Potato soap has anti-aging properties. The vitamin C in potato soap can help combat free radicals, thereby reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. And after cutting the potatoes into blendable size, we transfer it to a bowl and set aside. Next, we'll be bringing in the second ingredient that we'll be using for this natural soup. So the next ingredient we'll be using is aloe vera. So I'll start by cleaning the aloe vera and also cutting the spines along the aloe vera leaf. After cleaning the aloe vera, we cut them into blendable size. After cutting the aloe vera into smaller size, I'll add them to the potatoes. Next, I'll transfer both the aloe vera and the potato into a blender and blend smoothly. And after blending the aloe vera and the potatoes and they become smooth, I'll transfer into a cheesecloth to squeeze out the juice from it. Place a cheesecloth over a bowl and transfer the blended aloe vera and potatoes into it. Then begin to squeeze out the juice. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And to all my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for always being there. I appreciate you so much. And after squeezing out the juice we set aside, next I'll be cutting our glycerin-based soap base into cubes. And after cutting them into cubes, add them up in a bowl. Take to the heat to double boil. Stir at interval as the soap base begins to dissolve. Allow to dissolve completely. Once it's completely dissolved, turn off the heat and add the aloe vera and potato mixture immediately. Stir together until it is well combined. After mixing, add in vitamin E oil capsule. After adding the vitamin E oil capsule, stir together once again. Leave for about 5 minutes for the foam on top of the soap to disappear completely before transferring it into a mold. Then transfer into a mold gently. Allow to rest for between 4 hours or more for the soap to solidify. or you can put in the refrigerator. This solidifies very fast. If you are using potato soap for skin brightening or reducing dark spots, you can leave the lather on your skin for about 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing. Allow the enzyme to absorb into your skin, then rinse off with a lukewarm water. Ensure all the soap is removed from your skin. And now that it has solidified, here we have our potato soap. It came out very nice and smooth. And now that you have learned that making potato soup at home is so easy, I guess you want to give this a try. Please kindly let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. And please don't forget to like this video and also share with your loved ones. For all the measurement of ingredients used for the production of this soup, please check the description area. And here we have our potato soup with natural ingredients. And now let's test the foaming ability of our potato soup. So I just washed my hand with the potato soup. As you can see from the video, it came with great lather. Wash your skin with potato soup with natural nutrients for that bright and smooth skin. Thanks so much for spending your time with me. I know you would have learned something new. See you in my next video. God bless.